Good morning to you. Welcome to the morning shift with Ann. What's up? I need to change it. Should I change it? No, I'm not going to change it. It is what it is. Welcome to the morning shift with Ann. What's up? I hope you're having a good day. Today, we're going to talk about negative thoughts and your brain. Because your brain. Most people just allow thoughts to happen and just don't think that that can be something they can change. They just think, well, I'm not going to just, I can't just help that some thoughts coming into my brain. That may be true at first, but it's habitual. Thinking is a habitual art form. Some people have negative thinking built into an art. Some people have positive thinking built into an art. It takes practice. That's it. Everything takes practice. You got to flex your mental muscle, like Bob Proctor says. Your marvelous mind. You have to practice. So there's a little quote from one of my positive pocketbooks. It says, challenge. When a negative thought enters your mind, think 3 positive ones. Train yourself. That's the key word. Train yourself to flip the script. I like that. Flip the script. Flip the script. I'm in a good mood this morning because I went and I'm doing an event on December 15th at my dance studio. It's the holiday festival at Desert Star Dance, and I had to meet with city officials. They were all sitting in the conference table, looking very official, but they're all just really nice people that work for the city, and just wanted to make sure everything's up to code. And I'm all about that because I know that back in the day I used to always want to break the rules. I thought I could get around everything by doing it my own way. But really, if you just follow the rules, then you can kind of freestyle it when you get to the freedom point, But you got to pass some tests first. So that's a subject for the next video because I want to talk about discipline. I'm going to say this again. Challenge. When a negative thought enters your mind, think 3 positive ones. Train yourself to flip the script. You have to train your mind. You have to practice thinking positive. You can't just, continue to willy-nilly thoughts entering your head and then just entertain them for hours on end and expect your life to be different and to change. Oh, Rusty, he's coughing a little bit. Hi, buddy. How are you? He says hello. Hey, you want to see him? There's my boy. He's flying right now. His ears flipped up. Isn't he just the cutest thing? Hey, Rusty, what you doing? So anyway, flip the script. Flip the script. Train your mind to think differently. It will change everything for you. You'll suddenly be like, oh, I'm looking on the bright side instead of always going, oh, it's never going to work. Because you're just putting a brick on you. You're just putting the drag on. So think positive. You can do it. Train your mind, your marvelous mind, to think about good stuff, not about what's going wrong. Find the silver lining. And have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it if you would just subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get when I put a new video out. I don't do it that often, so, once, twice a week, you might get a little notification. Hey, Ann had something to say today. And hopefully I'll brighten your day and make you laugh a little bit and give you a little food for thought. So have a great day. Please make a comment, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.